This is a demo video for tutorial number 1. So I will present this tutorial into 2 parts. So first of all, I created a Java project called Practice, which is the professor's original code. And also I created a Java project, Hello World, which is a modified version of the original code. So I'm going to start with from professor's original code. So I'm gonna just clear up everything and then do debug and run. Okay, so under the console window, there is a red line of warning message. I'm not really quite sure what does that mean. So I'm just gonna, but the program seems to run okay. So now I'm gonna start to input a few names in there. Okay, and then quit. So yeah, so all the names has been printed out here. So I was identified 2 issues from this code. So first of all, I'll just click this the ampersand. It shows to lowercase. Call can be replaced to equals ignore case. So the lowercase math is essentially to converted the input string into a lowercase. But I think it's equals ignore case works better in here, just since we're comparing the input string with the text string. As long as the length and characters are the same, the program should exit. So, and also the program does not asking to validate the case of the input. So I think equals ignore case works better in here. And also from tutorial question 1, professor also asking about the trig method. So trig method is essentially could be normalize all the space and will eliminate all the empty cells or make the printout result looks more unified. And also in the question number 2, he was asking why person, class, or objects don't need to add input. Since we already created a person objects, a new class as a person, so it's already a part of the whole package. So the program actually knows what persons is for, so we don't need to add it, or we don't need to add an import of any other things. And also I think the second issue about entire code would be when I type in quit, so the program identify quit as another person's name, which is incorrect. So I will be able to, fix this one to add a new Boolean variable. So I'm going to show in the modified version here. So as you can see this line here, line 10, I'll be able to add a Boolean variable named running, give it a value of true, and added if statement, if else statement here, just like that. And also I'll be able to fix a to lowercase to equals ignore case here. So yeah, so here is the entire modified code. And now I'm gonna debug in and run here. Oh, process, okay, run, okay. Run this one, yeah. Same thing, not quite sure what is this message for. I'm gonna input a few names as well. And so this, as you can see from the console window, we will able to fix the issues here. Yeah. So yeah, this is the entire video about this question.